If you're a man over 60 and lately you've been noticing changes, slower starts to your day, running out of steam earlier than before, and that inner fire feeling like it's dimmed, then what I'm about to share could change everything for you. This isn't about buying expensive pills or signing up for complicated treatments. What I'm talking about is something simple, affordable, and sitting right there in your local grocery store. It's one ordinary vegetable that, when you eat it every single morning, can help bring back your energy, improve how blood moves through your body, and support your natural hormones. And here's what really matters: you could start feeling different within just days. So stick around, because I'm going to walk you through exactly why this works, how to prepare it, and what makes it so powerful for men in their 60s and beyond. My name is Dr. Ada James. I'm a urologist who specializes in men's health. And for over 10 years, I've worked with men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s who want to feel like themselves again without relying on medications alone. During all these years, I've watched something fascinating happen. The men who add certain natural foods to their morning routine just age differently. They keep their sharpness, their strength, and yes, even their confidence in the bedroom, while others around them struggle. And you know what the difference usually is? It's one simple habit: what they choose to eat first thing each day. Let me explain what's really going on inside your body as the years add up. Once you hit 40, your testosterone naturally starts dropping, about 1% every single year. By the time you reach 60, your hormone levels, your circulation, and even your muscle function look very different compared to when you were 30. This is why you might be experiencing things like low energy when you wake up, a metabolism that's slowed way down, trouble with erections, muscles that aren't as firm as they used to be, mood changes, or just feeling less motivated overall. But here's something your doctor might not have told you: none of this has to be permanent. Your body is still capable of healing itself, rebuilding what's been lost, and restoring that vitality you remember, but only if you feed it the right things and support healthy blood flow. And that's exactly what this one vegetable does. The vegetable I want you to know about is beetroot. Yes, that deep purple-red vegetable that most people ignore or only throw into salads once in a while. But here's the thing: beets are like a hidden tool for men over 60. They're loaded with something called natural nitrates, and when you eat them, your body turns those nitrates into nitric oxide. This is a powerful compound that relaxes your blood vessels, gets your blood moving better, and delivers more oxygen all throughout your body, including the areas that matter most for male performance. And this isn't just marketing talk. This is real science. Nitric oxide is the exact same thing that drugs like Viagra are trying to copy, except with beets. Your body makes it naturally, safely, and every single day. That's the reason athletes drink beet juice before competitions. It gives their muscles more endurance and more oxygen. For older men, it does something similar: more stamina, more energy, and better circulation where you need it most. When you start eating beets regularly, here's what begins to happen inside you. First, your blood flow improves. Beets help open up your arteries so blood can move through more easily, which lowers blood pressure and gets more oxygen where it needs to go. Second, your energy production gets better. Because your cells are getting more oxygen, your body doesn't feel as drained and your muscles bounce back faster. Third, your hormones get support. Beets contain boron, a natural mineral that helps your body make and use testosterone more effectively. Fourth, your heart and prostate stay healthier. The antioxidants inside beets, especially ones called betalains, fight inflammation, protect your prostate, and keep your heart and blood vessels strong. And fifth, your confidence and performance improve. With blood flowing better and hormones working right, many men tell me they wake up with more energy, have better stamina throughout the day, and feel that drive come back. It's like your body is recharging itself naturally without any chemicals or risky side effects. Now let me show you how to actually use beets the right way. There are 3 easy methods you can try every morning. The first is a raw beet smoothie. Take 1 medium beet, peel it, and chop it up. Add half an apple, 1 small carrot, half a lemon, and 1 cup of water. Blend everything together and drink it on an empty stomach. The second method is pure beet juice. Drink about 100 to 150 milliliters, which is roughly half a cup, about 30 minutes before you eat breakfast. The third way is roasted or boiled beets. You can cook them, then eat them with a little olive oil, some salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice. The most important thing is to be consistent. Drink or eat beets every single morning for at least 2 weeks, and your body will start responding. If you want even stronger results, pair your beets with two other natural ingredients. First is garlic. It helps open your blood vessels even more and keeps your heart healthy. Second is pomegranate. It increases nitric oxide levels even further and gives you antioxidants that protect your hormones. A simple drink made from beet juice, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, and a few pomegranate seeds can become a powerful morning boost. The science backs this up. In one clinical study, men who drank beetroot juice every day showed up to 20% better blood circulation in just 2 weeks. Another study found it helped lower blood pressure and improved physical performance in older adults. And in my own work with patients, I've seen men in their late 60s get their energy back and feel confident again just by starting their mornings with this simple routine. They sleep better, they feel stronger, and even their partners notice the difference. But here's a mistake you need to avoid. A lot of men try this once or twice, don't see instant results, and give up. Your body needs a few days to rebuild its nitric oxide levels and improve circulation pathways. Be patient. Stick with it every day. Also, don't add sugar or artificial flavors to your beet drink because that ruins the natural benefits. And if you're taking medication for blood pressure, talk to your doctor before you start drinking beet juice regularly. To make your results even better, try adding these habits. Walk for 20 minutes every morning, do some light leg exercises or stretching, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, drink plenty of water, and avoid smoking or too much alcohol. When you combine these habits with beets, you naturally restore circulation, energy, and that masculine strength you thought was gone. So here's the bottom line, gentlemen. If you're over 60 and you're tired of feeling tired, remember this. Your body hasn't quit on you. It's just waiting for the right fuel. Start your day with one simple vegetable, the beet. Let nature do what it does best. And within days, you'll notice stronger energy, sharper focus, and a feeling of vitality that makes you feel years younger. Because sometimes the best medicine doesn't come from a prescription. It comes straight from your kitchen. I'm Dr. Ada James. If this helped you, please share it with another man who deserves to feel strong again. Stay healthy, stay confident, and I'll see you next time.